all your Kiko Keep It 35 into the balloon stroller, the first thing you're going to want to do is recline the seat. So you'll just use the recline mechanism at the back of the seat. You squeeze it and pull straight out and pull the seat down. And then you'll attach your universal balloon car seat adapters. One on each side. You'll locate the straps on either side of the seat. They're usually tucked away in little pockets on either side of the seat. You want to pull them out and kind of get them out of the way. And you'll put your car seat rear facing, kind of line up the parent handle with this little divot down here on the adapters. So you want to make sure it's good and straight in there. And then this is a bungee system, so make sure you have the cord straight. Wrap it around the parent handle and attach it to the little knob here. You'll do the same on the other side. Attach to the knob. And then on this car seat is slats where a seat belt can go. So you can take this strap and feed it under this little slat there. And then same on the other side there. You'll attach the buckle and tighten it down and you're good to go.